Spelling of Wednesday. Okay, look at the number of syllables it has. It has two syllables. Wednes, Wednesday. Okay, so day is common. Day is easy to remember, but the problem is here. D is silent. Okay, Wednesday. To remember the spelling of this word, look, say it like this: Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay, slowly when writing it. Wednesday. You can say like this, but the real pronunciation is Wednesday. But for spelling, you can distort the pronunciation of this word like Wednesday. Okay. Imagine a wedding happening near a nest, and then remember it's a day. Imagine a wedding happening near a nest. So if you can connect this thing with this word Wednesday, then it will be easy for remembering.